Microwaves, they are in almost every home. They are fast, convenient, and let's be honest, sometimes a lifesaver on busy days. But there is a quiet fear that lingers. Is microwave food actually safe? Does it destroy nutrients? Can it cause cancer? What about radiation? Should we be worried? Let's break it all down. As a pharmacist and someone who respects both science and body's wisdom, here is what I want you to know. First, radiation. Let's clear this up once and for all. Microwaves use non-ionizing radiation. That means they do not have enough energy to damage your DNA. This is not the same as the ionizing radiation used in X-rays or nuclear materials. What microwaves do is very simple. They emit waves that cause water molecules in your food to vibrate. That vibration creates heat, and that's how your food cooks. It's physics, not poison. Now, what about radiation leakage? Yes, in theory, a broken or damaged microwave could leak small amounts of radiation, but in reality, modern microwaves are heavily regulated. They are designed with multiple layers of shielding, and unless you've got a cracked door, broken seal, or something visibly wrong, it's safe. If you are still unsure, here's a quick check. Place your mobile phone inside the microwave. Don't turn it on. Close the door and call it. If the phone doesn't ring, your microwave is doing its job, blocking signal. If it rings, consider replacing your unit. Simple as that. Next, what about nutrients? This one surprises people. Microwave doesn't destroy nutrients more than other cooking methods. In fact, in some cases, it preserves them better. Boiling vegetables, for example, causes water-soluble vitamins like B and C to leach into water. Unless you drink the broth, those nutrients are gone. Microwaving uses less heat and shorter cooking times. That means less nutrient loss overall. A study published in the Journal of Food Science compared cooking methods. Steaming and microwaving had the highest retention of nutrients. Boiling and frying caused the most loss. So unless you are overcooking everything into mush, microwave cooking is actually nutrient friendly. Now here is the real concern. Plastics. The danger isn't the microwave, it's what you put inside it. When you heat food into non-microwave safe plastic containers, chemicals like BPA, phthalates and dioxins can leach into your food. These are endocrine disruptors. They interfere with hormones, and long-term exposure has been linked to fertility issues, metabolic problems and certain cancers. So here is the rule. Never microwave food in plastic unless the container specifically says microwave safe. Even better, use glass or ceramic. Avoid cling film or plastic wrap touching your food, especially if there is oil or fat, which accelerates leaching. Let's talk food safety. The microwave heats unevenly. That means part of your food might be piping hot while others are undercooked, especially in thick dishes or leftovers. This is where bacterial growth becomes a concern. So stir midway. Cover your food to trap steam. Use a food thermometer for meats, especially poultry, to make sure it hits a safe internal temperature, at least 74 degrees centigrade or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't just trust how it looks or feels, and never reheat food more than once. Each cycle increases the risk of bacterial growth like Listeria or Clostridium perfringens. A few bonus tips from a pharmacist's desk. Don't microwave breast milk even if the bottle is BPA free. Uneven heating can create hot spots that burns a baby mouth and may degrade some immune protective proteins. Avoid microwaving takeaway containers unless labeled microwave safe. That includes styrofoam and black plastic trays. Both can leach harmful chemicals when heated. Never microwave metal. That includes aluminium foil, spoons or twist tiles. It's a fire hazard. So what's the verdict? Microwaves are safe. They don't zap your food or fill it with radiation. They are efficient, nutrient preserving, and when used correctly, completely safe. The real issue is how you use them. Use the right containers, heat your food evenly, don't reheat food multiple times, and always trust common sense and science, not fear-mongering headlines. If you have been feeling anxious about microwave use, I hope this helped bring clarity and calm, because when you understand the science, you can make better choices confidently. Let me know if you found this helpful, and if you want more science-backed health info without the hype, you are in the right place. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care, stay healthy and stay high-spirited. I'll see you in the next video.